So we're going inside a second-hand store. Nakikita niyo na ani. Ay, big. Ay, mali kayo. Okay, second hand store. It's small, right? This is like this.
It's like
So
me.
small. Mini stuff. There's Harry Potter, the Disney also. So me and you know, this is what you found in second-hand store.
They have a bunch of other ones there. And this one. Look at the
So many ang gipalit sa second-hand. So this is what we bought in second-hand. And Yuna bought a, what did you buy?
Clover necklace.
Bought a clover necklace. I thought it was black, but it's actually green and so
It's
nice.
better that it's green.
And it's 50% off. So it was 19 crowns minus actual 10 crowns. 10 Danish crowns. So this was only 10
So
Danish
like
crowns.
20.
Yeah. So I'm going to use it directly now. Okay. Ay, kipuan na no. Mas madaot na noon. Yes. Kipuan. So, close up on Joy. Yan, kayo na. You want help? Sige,
I can do it.